Okay, good morning everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to all my students, their parents, and to those who want to learn mathematics. And this is our lesson for today is about proving lines parallel. And our objective, I can determine whether two lines are parallel. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, in proving parallel lines or proving lines parallel, you can use certain um, angle pairs to decide whether two lines are parallel. So we have here theorem 3-4 is converse of corresponding angles theorem. If two lines and transversals form corresponding angles that are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay, likewise this one, if angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, then line L and line M are parallel, like this. Okay, next. Example number 1, which lines are parallel if line 1 or angle 1 is congruent to angle 2? So if angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent, therefore line line M, no? Okay, so how are you going to write that line? So you can write in words like line A, or you can write as line A, okay, is parallel. This is symbol of parallel to line B. Okay, so line B. So, pwedeng isulat lang dito yung A, yung B, I mean, no? So, you can write it here. Wait, okay. You may write here B or A. Okay, so that is line A parallel to line B. So, if they are congruent. Next, which lines are parallel if angle 6, okay, so angle 6 and angle 7, okay, are congruent. So which line are parallel? Of course, we could say that line M, okay? So this time we could say that line M, right, line M is parallel to line L, okay? So line M and line. So we have proving lines of parallel. Okay, we can use the converse of corresponding angles theorem to prove converse of the theorems and postulates we have learned from the other section, no? Okay, so we have theorem 3.5. So if two lines and transversal form alternate interior angles that are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. So we have here, okay, so angle 4 is congruent to angle 6. Then line M and line L are parallel. Okay. Next we have mm, theorem 3-3.6 converse of same side interior angles. So we have if two lines and a transversal form the same side interior angles that are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So like this one, measure angle 3 plus measure angle 6 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so therefore we can say that line L is parallel to M. So if they form a supplementary. Okay, remember that supplementary is equals to 180 degrees, or the sum of the two angles is equal to 280 degrees or 180 degrees. Then theorem 3.7, converse of alternate exterior angle theorem. Okay, so we have here, if two lines and a transversal form alternate exterior angles that are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. Like if angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, okay, like this one, or angle 7, then angle L is parallel to M. Okay, so here we have same side. Here we have alternate, and we have also here, or this is alternate interior, and this is alternate interior, this is alternate exterior. And of course, we have the same side, interior angle postulate. Okay, so just know how to prove it. Okay, next, let's prove, no? So proving converse of alternate interior angles theorem. So given angle 4 is congruent to angle 6. So prove that L, or L, is parallel to M. How are we going to prove that? Through alternate interior angle. No? So that's how we are going to prove. Say that angle 4 is congruent to angle 6 through alternate interior angles theorem. Okay, so here we're referring to angles, measure angle 3 plus measure angle 6, which is equal to 180. So this is our angles that we refer to, no? So we could say that angle L is parallel to angle M. That is through same side interior angles postulate. Okay, next. Okay, so we have here converse of proving converse of alternate exterior angle theorem. So given angle 1 is congruent to angle 7. So let's prove that angle L is congruent to M. So this is true. We can prove that through same or alternate interior angle theory or exterior. So since it is outside, no, 1 and 7 is outside, these are alternate exterior angle theory. Okay, so we have here problem 3. The fin skate at right or at below is made up of piece of wood arranged in various directions. Suppose angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. So we have here the angle 1 and congruent to angle 2 here. Our lines R and S parallel. Explain. So that is true. What's the relationship? This is alternate exterior angle. So these are congruent. So what is another way to explain why R is parallel to S? Okay, so we could say that R is parallel to S by alternate exterior angle theorem. Okay, so these are parallel lines. So we have here with the transversal, that is this one is a transversal. We have line R and line. Okay, now let us have example number 4. So what is the value of x for which A is parallel to B? So this is same side interior angle. So we could say that 2x, diba, if they are same side interior angles and they are congruent, they are supplementary. So 2x plus 9 plus 111 is equals to 180. So we get 2x plus 120. 120 is equals to 180. And we got 2x equals to 180 minus 120. That is about 60 divided by 2. X is equals to 30. Okay, so if this is 30, 30 times 60 plus 9, 69. So this is 69, okay? 69 plus, okay, so 69 plus 111, we have 0, then 1, 8, okay, so we get 180. It's correct, no? Next. So we have here what is the value of W for HC is parallel to D. We know that same side or corresponding angles are congruent. No? So that means they have the same measure. So that is 3W minus 2 is equals to 55. Okay, so 3W is equals to 55 plus 2 equals 57, no? So divided by 3W, so divided by 3. So we got 57 divided by 3. We have 1, 3, 2. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we'll get 27. All right, 0. The answer is the value of W is equals to 19. Okay, so that means 19 times W minus 5, that's 50, minus 2, that's 55. Okay, so because 19 times 2 is 9 plus 9, 18, is 6. Let's multiply, no? 7, 2. 57 minus 2 is 55. Correct? Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. So that's it. All right. So this will be your sit work. And we will discuss this in class, but depends how are you going to do it. And of course, you need to check your assignment, all right, for proving lines parallel. Okay, bye-bye, guys. See you. Please study harder. Our periodic exam is near. Love you all.